Take command of the road in the 2019 Ram 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.